What is going on, everyone? Welcome to Grassroots Piano. Today we're looking at Hey Jude piano tutorial. This video is stocked with lots of stuff. The first thing I want to say though, if you haven't played an accompaniment pattern yet, please check out my first video because I am utilizing those rhythms that I've taught many viewers already. So you want to check that out so you won't be too confused. Also, since this video is for newer learners, I've integrated some simpler chords. You're not going to find G sus or G minor 7th. Instead of G minor 7th, I'm putting G minor in there. But don't worry, we can get to those chords soon. Hey, speaking of chords, I just created chord black and white PDFs where we have inversions. So I go through C, root, first and second inversion, and then I also go into the key of G, D, A, and E. I'll leave a link. I'd highly recommend getting into that, and if you decide to purchase that PDF, it helps the channel out. I want you to get the feel of playing with the band, so I'm going to go over the tutorial, hand shapes, chords, patterns. I have some fill-ins like you hear on the recording, and then you'll get to play with me if you choose with a drum track. You'll see two screens, one with the melody and the lyrics, and then the other part of the screen will be the accompaniment part. After that, you will get to enjoy playing the interlude and then the famous outro. But let's go ahead and check out the tutorial first. All right, Hey Jude, this is the key we're in, F major. I just finished a video on F major, so I highly recommend to learn that scale. It's used in a lot of pieces and songs. First thing we're going to do is talk about the chords in the first verse, which will apply in the second verse in my arrangement as well as third. So the hand shapes, we have F major, and we're playing down here because it is an accompaniment part and we don't want to get in the way of the melody. So down here we have F major, so you're going to want to practice that, and then we're going to have the C major first inversion, and then the next bar we're going to have C7. So you just want to get comfortable playing those. And then we have F major again to B flat major, second inversion, and then F major again to C major, back to F. So just practice that coordination. I'm going to demonstrate it again slowly with the bass part. Self-plug real quick. I do have a PDF, a black and white PDF of chord inversions, keys C, G, D, A, E, and B, and I'm working on the flat keys too. They're in black and white, like I said, and they have fingerings as well as the notation and diagrams. So if you want to support the channel, go ahead and utilize the PDF. It will help you out in a lot of pieces you want to play. Left hand, we have the roots, and I'm just playing the roots down here. I'm going to play the F, and we're going to play the C, and then the F again. We have B flat, so it's pretty easy. If you've been following my other videos, it's the same rhythm accompaniment. So here I go, slowly, 2, 3, Hey Jude, 4 and C. I'll even go slower, 3, 4, C7. Then back to F, B flat, to F, C, F, and then to the second verse. Let's talk about a fill-in I do. So we start like this, 2, 3 melody, and then 2, 3, 4, and C, 2, 3, and 4. So that's a fun thing to add in there if you wish, if you're at that level. Hey guys, it's me again. Sorry to interrupt the lesson, but if you are getting value out of this, can you do a simple thing and just hit the like button, because that really helps channels out and it helps us grow. So I have C, and then I go to F, a little harmonization with the melody, and then a C7 on beat 1. And then slowly work out the rhythm. So it's 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. You'll see in the play along, I add that in there. And I also go through obviously the first and second verse to save time with instruction. We are now going to go right before the chorus. So you hear this part in the melody. okay? And we're gonna have this is right before the chorus. We have this here, 2, 3, 4, and 1. All right, so let's talk about the chorus. The chords in the chorus, when we get into it, I'm playing F7 like this. You could also play like here. And then I'm moving my hand up to play the B flat major, and my left hand, forefinger here, third finger on the B flat, like this. 1, 2, and then descending bass line, D minor to the G minor. The G minor we're going to hold for a full. Let's try that again. From the B flat, we have 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go to C, and it's the same inversion we used before. And then F, going into the second chorus, 3, and. Okay, here we go. The interlude's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what you can do, if you're ready to do it, you hear the pickup. So you're playing right before, you're just playing F, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's your part. And I actually zoomed in on the play along so you can study the notes I'm doing there. So I'm doing the and then there's a full bar with drum full bar so we can get to the third verse, which is like the first and second. All right, so I am now going to jump to the outro. In the outro, I have the forefinger on the F here, and the right hand's playing quarter notes, and I've moved the chord up here. So we have this. So I'm doing eighth notes with the left hand. We have the right hand, and this fits nicely. E flat, we go to second inversion, all quarter notes, and then B flat. And then you have the Hey, Hey Jude. Keep it simple, and then you come back in, you repeat it. I'll play it in time now. Three, and repeats. Have fun with that. I broke things down, but what will help you now, after you can get the chord shapes, is listen to the play along and watch what I'm doing, and then after a few times, everything should stick together. If not, let me know in the comments. Let's try out the play along. All right, here we go. Drums, and I'll take the pickup on beat 4. 2, 3. Thank you so much. Let me know what you thought of this video. I put a lot of love into it, so hopefully it motivates you to keep playing. And I really hope that you find value out of my content. So here's the YouTube thing. If you do, please support this channel by subscribing. That's how we grow. And if you like us small content creators, that would be really awesome so we can keep giving you great content. Bye for now.